Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You will start by confirming hardware and drivers. Check that your monitor explicitly lists AMD FreeSync or FreeSync Premium/Pro and connect it with DisplayPort or a high-speed HDMI cable. Install the latest AMD Radeon driver from the official installer, then reboot. Once done, open Radeon software. Make sure the correct display is selected. You do this because FreeSync needs both supported hardware and the driver to enable adaptive refresh. This prevents flicker. Next, enable the feature inside the driver and match refresh ranges. Open AMD Radeon software and go to the Display tab, then toggle Radeon FreeSync on for your monitor. After that, set the display refresh rate to the monitor's native or variable range so FreeSync can operate. For example, 48 to 144 Hz. Also adjust the game to use exclusive full screen or a mode that supports adaptive refresh. Otherwise, the driver cannot hand control of refresh timing to the monitor. Finally, verify FreeSync is functioning and fix common problems. You should run a game and check that frame rates sit within the monitor's variable range while observing smoothness. Enable VSync or Enhance Sync per your preference to prevent tearing at low FPS. Use the monitor's on-screen menu to confirm Adaptive Sync or FreeSync shows as active. If you still see stutter or blanking, swap to a high-quality DisplayPort cable, update monitor firmware, or try a different driver version to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.